So if you want to know this free mobile application that will pretty much boost your YouTube videos, guys, just keep on watching. Again, this is free. Hey awesomes, welcome to my channel, Adam Burwell, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, the red box below, and also push the notification bell so that you'll know every time I have a new upload out. And if you've been friends with me for the longest time, welcome, you are awesome, thank you so much. And you're probably here because you want to know about how I got or how to get more YouTube views, new strategies for 2019. Pretty much gonna be dishing it out for you, and I know that everyone wants to have that one viral video. Now here's the thing, this is just gonna be a little bit of disclaimer. This may or may not work for you. You may have heard about this before, but I must tell you though that there is one application, and that's one mobile app that is quite effective actually in gaining views on your YouTube channel. So everyone wants to have that. Let's get real. You want to be monetized. You want to have a viral video. You want to be a good influence to your community, to your subscribers. So whatever your purpose in doing YouTube is, most probably being monetized and having a viral video, being popular is most probably that is your target, right? If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section below. Let's get real, okay? Let us get freaking real. All right, so this application, as you can see on my videos from way back last year, I'm talking too fast, guys, because I have a lot to tell you at this video, actually. So if you try to backtrack on my videos from, let's say, 5 months ago or 6 months ago, way back when I was still not monetized, you would see probably around November, October, December, the last quarter of last year, 2018, that most of my videos have actually around 1,000, 2,000, or even actually 5,000 views each. So look at it right now, or I'll try to put it on the info card above, or it could be links on the description box as well. So I have a lot of, even just like Mary Kay skincare reviews, I have like 2,000 or 3,000 views for that, even regarding Lazada unboxing. And then it plateaued to almost like around 5,000 views. So it would stop nearly around the 5,000 view mark. And also, as you can see there, I have a playlist on how to get more YouTube views, 5 videos, and each video I believe has around 4,000 or 5,000 views. You can backtrack my channel from December or November of last year, so check it out. So anyway, I'm going to tell you like 3 or couple of things for these new strategies that I've learned. Like I said, this may or may not work for you, but I tell you, this one application, you should have this. You should try to do this, at least promote using this app your YouTube video. It may help you a lot with your YouTube views. However, I stopped it already, but let's just I'm just trying to give you some strategies and this secrets, because most YouTubers will probably not tell you this, especially for us small-time YouTubers. Yeah, okay. What I want to talk about first is collaboration. Well, collaboration could be anything from a small-time to small-time YouTuber, or a small-time to a medium-sized channel. So the thing with collaboration, guys, is that it will of course attract more views from subscribers to each channel. So whether you are a small YouTuber, a medium-sized channel, or a big-time YouTuber, at the end of the day, it could be everybody uses everybody. As negative as that may sound, but we all that have at the back of our mind that we are sort of using each other, right? So of course that will attract more viewers, more subscribers, and of course your video will get more views. Collaboration, simple as that. Now here's the thing. On top of that, we are also trying to build a community of friendship, of co-content creators who support each other. So that is something that we need to think about as well. Do not just stop on the first subscription. That's what I always say on my live stream. Because for most new YouTubers right now, they will not continuously support your succeeding vlogs or videos. Most new YouTubers will just stop because, say for example, I have another channel. Let's just say it's called the B channel. So I will watch the video on that channel and then leave a comment, right? And then I will subscribe, and then after this other channel, the B channel, will upload another video, I will no longer support it because I will be in target on some another channel to subscribe, which should not be the case. The continuous support should be never ending. It should be like a circle of support. It should be continuous. It should be steadfast. I could not think of any more adjectives, but what I'm trying to say is that it should be forever, right? Remember that we are not celebrities, we are not artistas, we don't have a lot of organic followers or fans. So we as small content creators should help each other. Continue to watch each other's videos. That's what I'm saying. All right, collaboration. And then what I'm gonna talk about, second thing is SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. Now you probably heard about this, you probably didn't know about this. Well, as you can actually, I'm gonna tell you, I have a little bit of course with Udemy with digital marketing, SEO, because I've been working here at home for the past 2 or 3 years, and every now and then I would take courses regarding digital marketing, and of course that may include SEO as well, YouTube SEO. So remember that SEO stands for search engine optimization, and Google, which created YouTube, is the one who sort of solely created the term SEO so that our channels, our videos will be friendly on the search engines. That's actually the reason why I changed my channel name from Adam's Apple to Adam Burwell, because of search engine optimization. So before, when I search on Adam's Apple on the YouTube search bar, what will on the first page will be videos of Adam's Apple. Adam's Apple, this one, not my channel. Again, not my channel. So that's one SEO problem there. So of course, I change it so that every time a new viewer or a new subscriber will search my channel name on the YouTube search bar, my channel should be on the first page. So what our target, guys, is to be always on the first page. So think about your channel name, and that goes with videos as well. You need to optimize your videos for the search engine of the YouTube search engine. Remember that the algorithm, it's a system. So basically, we are feeding the YouTube algorithm system on what our content and videos are, and eventually it will gain traction. That is why consistency is the key, guys. And that's, of course, we need hashtags, we need video tags, we need channel tags. Say, for example, your video is about skincare review. Okay, search on the YouTube search bar the most viewed skincare review product regarding with pretty much the same with your video, right? And then emulate the hashtags. Do not really copy 100%, but at least gain the best practices and then put it on your video, right? Third, social media. Of course, social media, guys, this should not come as a surprise. We need to promote our videos to social media. However, we need to be really, really strategic in promoting our video to social media, not just YouTube groups in general, but targeting specific social media groups. So say, for example, your video is about travel vlogs. Your video is a travel vlog, let's say to Bali, Indonesia. So you don't just promote your video to any YouTube subscriber, Facebook groups, but go to travel groups in general. And then, of course, these are the type of people that will actually care about your YouTube video. You know what I mean? So it has to be targeted. It has to be strategic. So say for example, if your video is about a skincare product review, then enter and go to social media groups which are related to skincare, and always follow their rules and regulations, by the way, guys. That's one thing as well. Okay? So that at this point, you will have actual viewers who may be future subscribers who actually care about your content. Awesome? Alright. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. The last application that I'm gonna tell you is 9GAG. That's 9 with 9GAG and no 9 with the number 9 and then GAG. Try to download 9GAG, promote your videos there, and let me know if that works, because for me it worked. Last year I gained like 1,000 views in one day just by promoting it at 9GAG. Try to do it. You can also use Reddit, reddit.com, that's Reddit, Reddit and 9GAG. Try to download these applications, or I think they have website versions as well. Try to do that and then promote your videos there. But like I said, guys, at the end of the day, sometimes when the YouTube algorithm will be extremely friendly to you, then you will be viral no matter you have promoted your video or not. All right? So those are 3 or 4 strategies that I have, imparted to you. I hope I have helped you at some point, although most of you may know this already. But let me know if you have questions, comment below, and leave a like. That is it for now. I'll see you in my next vlog. All right, sorry I'm talking too fast, but thank you for watching. Stay awesome, everyone. Bye.